Let's get it, y'all. What's up, man? We about to do a special video. Everybody be talking about this fidget spinner. Like this, so it's just a regular fidget spinner. Yeah, it's cool. I'm gonna be showing you all of them today. I have. We're just gonna do it out of order. So, and I have one special thing in there. It's not a fidget spinner, but so let's get it. We're gonna go with our first fidget spinner. It's gonna be. Oops. Oh, this a plain white one. Just white, spins fast. Kids, they'll just need. I don't know. I got 11, 12. How many? I don't even know. 13. I don't even know. It's just a plain white one. It's about to be the thumbnail right there inside. With the plain black one, doesn't do that. Just they have nothing in common. Only thing is just plain, and it's just that color. This spins short. This really does not spin fast. Look, I'm gonna spin it. Look how wobbly it is. You can't hear it. All of these make noise. I might do a giveaway. Never know. I want to do the plain blue one. It's going to need some exercise right here. But just hurt. And it's like so, it feels weird on your hand. So, number 3 fidget spinner. We'll do the special one. Oh, y'all gotta put so we're gonna do. We're gonna show all 3 of these gold ones at the end of it. So we'll do the black one. Alright, so look at this. I have a freaking Batman fidget spinner. Oh, y'all think it's cool? Yeah, but it is cool, but look how fast it spins. Bruh. Wait. And real, look at this compared to this. Well, who's gonna stop first? And I'll spin this first, so. Little boy right here. So that's one of my slow ones, but it's cool. It's a black. Probably because it's a 2-sided one. But look at this. Look at this. It goes crazy if you try to put this on your finger or something. This is the hardest one to put on your finger. Look. Hold up. Alright. Now I made it where it won't fall off your finger anymore. Alright, so the gold one. Alright, so this is the first gold one. Been popping up since then. This is, isn't it? It's really just a gold one. Alright, here's the next gold one. We'll do the cool one. The money sign, dollar sign. It's a gold. It's not fast, so. Look how small this is. This is really easy to lose. Look how small it is compared to this one. it looks really big on the camera, but it's really small. Hold up, I gotta do this. I'll be right back. I'm gonna put this up back in the case. I'll be back. Found the case. Okay, I just found the case so I'll wash it for a second. I'm about to do this one. It's another gold. It's another gold freaking one. But this is the fastest one. You cannot compare nothing to this. No fidget spinner to this. Okay, just to let you know, I uploaded a new video. I gotta finish editing that one video. Y'all probably never seen it, but because it's edited, I'm gonna tell you what the video is called. So be looking for it. I'll put the video right here because I literally have to do one more thing, and that's the end of the video. So for the new video. Alright, so so go. And if y'all just not get, subscribe to the channel. No, don't just subscribe. Are you down there? Why I sound like it? While you down there, hit that freaking bell button. Every time I post, you can get it first, and you can be the first commenter. Just okay. Comment there. Okay. Comment. I keep saying that. Okay, and if you're the first, I'm not even gonna say it. Comment person, I'm just gonna say, y'all can get any of these fidget spinners that I'll show this whole day. And if you're the first person that hit that like button, you get 2. Not this one. 2. So I'm doing a fidget spinner giveaway. Okay, we're back. Now we're about to do the special ones. The special. Alright, so we're gonna do the fidget. Key while we're at it. It does not do nothing but just press this, move this, clock this, turn this, push this. You can press this, turn it, twist it. That's what it is. Alright, then I'm gonna do with all of these is light up, so we're gonna show you this one. It lights up. It has 3 colors: yellow, orange, yellow, orange, and pink. And look, you have to hit that baby. Hit that baby. Look at it. Hold up, let me hit that. Here's a tag. Turn that light off. Yeah, when you want it to still spin. Hold up. Hold up. Ow! It's not working. Hold up. Just slightly touch it on the side. Yeah, that's that fidget spinner. It looks weird, like it has 2 sides. Alright, so here's the next line I want. This baby. You think, what? Why is it not coming on? Why is it not coming on? You got a broke fidget spinner. Nope. You just... Oh, angels. Let me fix this. I'm gonna fix this fidget spinner. This ain't working. I click on the third one. So this picture. Did you catch it? 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 Yeah. I broke your fidget spinner off your head. She looking ashy with the... These both will go in the dark. We can't show you because it's not dark. So they can't glow in the dark if it's not dark. So that's these two last ones. So thanks guys for tuning in. Follow me on my Instagram, Snapchat. And yeah. They Glow Dabber. Glow there is the Instagram and Snapchat DB Ratchet. King Gary. Alright, so thanks for watching, guys. Peace.